Welcome to GC Reddy Technologies. Introduction to NoSQL databases. First, types of data in computer environment. See, in the IT industry, main component is data. Data, data type, data processing, data behavior. This is the major things in information technology. For accessing data input, next, user interface, processing data and displaying output. Front-end technologies are there, programming languages, Java, .NET, etc. For storing data, organizing data and management, data management, databases are there. See, data is a major component in the computer environment. See, we have different types of data in computer environment. Not only in computer environment, in real life also, we have different types of data. Okay. In computer environment, we have different types of data like structured data, semi-structured data, unstructured data. Next, two types of databases in computer environment. Say, we have several types of databases. Some are saying distributed databases, cloud databases, etc. That is different classification. In high-level orientation, we have two types of databases. SQL databases are relational databases. Next, NoSQL, not only SQL. NoSQL databases are non-relational databases. Now, I am focusing on NoSQL databases. In this video, our main agenda, introduction to NoSQL databases. What is NoSQL? See, NoSQL stands for not only SQL, or some are saying not SQL. Okay, not only SQL. NoSQL concept was introduced in 1998. SQL concept was introduced in 1970s. SQL is old. NoSQL was introduced in 1998. NoSQL database is a non-relational database management system that does not require a fixed schema. It avoids joins and easy to scale. The major purpose of using a NoSQL database is for storing distributed data. NoSQL is used for big data and real-time web apps. For example, companies like Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, and Google collect terabytes of user data every single day. Next, why NoSQL? The concept of NoSQL databases became popular with internet giants like Google, Facebook, Amazon, etc., who deal with huge volume of data, different types of data. Next, types of NoSQL databases. We have four main types of NoSQL databases. First one, document databases. Suppose SQL databases are relational databases, single type. First Oracle, MS SQL Server, Sybase, DB2, MySQL, etc. But we have four types of NoSQL databases. One is document databases. Example, MongoDB, Amazon SimpleDB, CouchDB, Lotus Notes are popular document oriented DBMS systems. Next, key value based databases. Example, Redis, Dynamo, and React. Next, third one, column-oriented databases, HBase, Cassandra, and Hypertable. Next, graph databases, Neo4j, Infinite Graph, OrientDB, FlukeDB. See, 4 types of NoSQL databases. Document databases, key value pair databases, column-oriented databases, graph databases. Next, important features of NoSQL. First, non-relational. NoSQL databases never follow the relational model. They don't object relational mapping and data normalization. And no complex features like query languages and query planners. Next, distributed. Multiple NoSQL databases can be executed in a distributed fashion, and NoSQL databases follow shared nothing architecture. This enables less coordination and higher distribution. Next, schema-free. NoSQL databases are either schema-free or have relaxed schemas, and they do not require any sort of definition of the schema of the data. Next, simple API, application programming interface. APIs allow low data manipulation and selection methods. Web-enabled databases running as internet-facing services and NoSQL databases mostly used no standard-based query language. Next, advantages of NoSQL. NoSQL can handle structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data with equal effect. Next, big data capability. Next, no single point of failure. Next, NoSQL provides fast performance and horizontal scalability. NoSQL databases don't need a dedicated high-performance server. Next, simple to implement than using RDBMS. Next, disadvantages are drawbacks of NoSQL. NoSQL databases are not mature. Next, no standardization rules. Next, limited query capabilities. Next, NoSQL doesn't work as well with relational data. Next, providing perfect data security is a challenging on any platform. Next, most NoSQL databases do not perform ACID, atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability transactions.